चलो गाड़ी
Good
बंद
morning,
करो।
guys. Can you hear me?
यस सर, कैन यू हियर मी? यस सर, यस सर, यस सर।
Yeah. Very good morning. Guys, drop message in your WhatsApp group. Class started. I already shared the link in a WhatsApp group only. Inform everyone. We will wait max to max 5 minutes and then we will start.
सिक्सटी थ्री एक्सप्लेनेशन।
Huh. Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Yeah. So, guys, in our last session, we discussed what is automation, why we go for automation, when we go for automation, what type of testing take place in automation, everything. Okay. Now, guys, let's continue in a next part. Okay. So, I have one question, guys. Is 100% automation possible? Tell me. What do you think? Okay, cool. 100% testing is not, 100% automation is not possible. That means, guys, can I say there are some things which is cannot be automated? Yes or no? There are something which cannot be automated. So, guys, now tell me what are the things you cannot automate? Okay, Deepak, OTP, CAPTCHA cannot be automated. After that, new requirement, okay. Okay, virtual keyboard, again, barcode, okay. Again, give reply. Okay, complex and time consuming. No, Sunil. If you say complex test case cannot be automated, then it become a huge impact in automation. Don't say that. Mm, okay, fine. Guys, most of the things, guys, most of the thing, whatever you said, okay, okay, whatever you said, that thing are clear. Amna, don't say that. Regression test case does not support technology. If does not support technology, how that feature is present in an application? Okay. So, guys, can I say it's very simple thing, guys. Whenever human interaction comes in a middle, okay. Whenever human interaction comes in a middle, that scenario we cannot automate. Is everyone agree with this? Okay. So observe this. Okay. Here I listed out, guys. Is 100% automation possible? No. What is not automatable? CAPTCHA, virtual keyboard, OTP, barcode scanner, MP3, MP4, audio, video, gaming applications, okay, online games, printer related test case. If manual test case are incorrect, then those test case cannot be automatable. Guys, any confusion in any point? Guys, give me confirmation. Is everyone able to clear? Okay, gaming application not understood. Why captcha cannot be automated? Okay. Guys, let's go one by one. Game. How will you automate game, guys? Let's say there is a racing game. Will you write a automation script? Okay, at this point only turn left. At this point only your opponent is behind you. Now you have to increase the speed. Now you have to decrease the speed. How you will automate? Okay. Are you getting, guys? Games cannot be automated. Okay, let's say you are playing a game as PUBG. Okay, how will you automate? Like when your opponent is in front of you and then you will trigger, obviously. Are you getting Anirudh? Okay. Now, which test case is not understood now in this? Apart from game, which point is not understood? Anushruti, MP3, MP4. Let's assume Anushruti, you open Ghana.com. Okay. You will search your favorite song. You will click on play button. Everything is possible. But whether after clicking on play button, really audio is coming or not, that you have to hear manually. How will you automate? Hey boss, audio is coming. So obviously manual things are there, so it is not automatable. Same thing for video. You have to see manually whether video is playing or not. Okay, that validation need manual effort. So that's the reason those test cases cannot be automatable. Now, Madan Kumar, printer. Let's assume Madan Kumar, you give a PDF, you give a print, you click on print button. How will you validate Madan whether print is coming from printer? How will you validate Madan whether print is coming from printer? Manually you have to check na, hey pages is there or not. After that in a print exactly correct font is there or not. That is manual testing. That means not automatable. CAPTCHA. Sapan, are you aware what is CAPTCHA, Sapan? Okay. Then Sapan, how will you capture the CAPTCHA? Because whatever the text present in a CAPTCHA, that also in a colorful manner, confusing manner, in a image, inside image that text is present. How will you capture every time? Because whenever you will open the page, CAPTCHA will change. And exactly whatever there you have to provide as it is. That's the reason it is not automatable. Manually you have to analyze na, hey, what they are giving. Okay. Now, any other confusion, guys? Any other confusion? Same Keshav, barcode, same Lakshman, barcode. Barcode means whether that barcode running fine or not, you have to scan that in some hardware device. So how will you automate hardware device? Same thing, Abhishek, virtual keyboard. Guys, slowly, I guess you ask each and every point, guys. I guess not a single point is left out. Virtual keyboard, Abhishek. Virtual keyboard means the keyboard which available on an application only. That you have to click manually. Okay, that is not a part of web application. That is given by system. Okay, so guys, write down this. Write down this. Once done with the copy, let me know. No, Rajkumar. हाँ, guys, done with the copy? Guys, done with the copy? Okay. Guys, once done, let me know. Once everyone done, let me know.
विनोद आज तो क्लास तो नहीं तो आज तो नहीं ଦେନ୍ ସେ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ କୁ ଥରେ ଯିବା କି ବେ ଆଜି ହଉ କେବେ ହଉ ମଝିରେ ଗୋଟେ
हाँ, guys, done with the copy?
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆଜି ନ ହଉ
Okay, okay. So, guys, now see. Now say let's discuss about automation tools now. Okay, let's discuss about automation tool. Listen guys, what I am saying. There are many automation tools. Okay, just like in a last session we discussed. Okay, not Ravi. We cannot say like that. So guys, now listen. In our last session we discussed like when we want to do automation, that means manual test cases need to converted into automation test script. So if we want to convert manual test case into automation script, we need a automation tool. Okay. So guys, there are many automation tool available in a market. Okay. Many automation tool guys. Okay. Especially for web application automation. Okay. So guys, in that language oriented automation tools are different. JavaScript automation tools are different. Python automation tools are different. Java automation tools are different. Okay. Now, guys, as we have our concern in a Java, because Java is very much popular in a automation line in a IT industry. So, for a Java concern, there are two automation tool which is very much popular. First one is QTP. Did you hear this word, guys? QTP. QTP means Quick Test Professional. Okay. QTP means Quick Test Professional.
तो आगे current value variable
I guess this reason is more than enough. Correct? This reason is more than enough. Open source. Okay. So, guys, obviously, we are going to learn because we are going as it is open source and as in automation market it is very very popular. So guys, we will prefer Selenium. Okay, we will prefer Selenium as our automation tool. So guys, now what I am saying, okay, just quickly note down this, then we will explore complete Selenium. Okay, what is Selenium and what is the some historical part are there, that everything we will discuss. First, copy these two lines quickly. Obviously not Suvasmita. How both the tool will be same? You will come to know what is the difference. Wait. Guys, done with the copy? Okay. So guys, now now let's observe and let's understand this total history of selenium in our paint side. Okay. So observe this guys. We will say selenium is a tool. Okay. But guys, technically, strictly speaking, I am saying guys, selenium is not at all a automation tool. Okay. There is not a single tool exist as a selenium name which mark as automation. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? But now question is how? Sir, we are here to attend selenium course only. But guys, there is not a single automation tool exists with a name as selenium. Okay. Let me give you one brief scenario. Guys, let me give you one brief example. Tell me guys, is car exist? Simple question. Is car exist? Guys, think practically. Think practically. Is car exist? Okay. Guys, guys, let me tell you one thing. Car never exist. Toyota car exist. Maruti car exist. Mahindra car exist. Only car never exist. Guys, very minor point it is, but did you get the difference? Is everyone get the difference? Okay. Car is a category. Car is one of the community. In that community, in that category, there are many companies are there who are providing their car. Now guys, this concept you can apply at many places. Okay. Everywhere I guess you can apply this. Just like let's say TV. TV never exist. Okay. LG TV exists. Samsung TV exists. Okay. So ultimately, guys, there should be someone name. Okay. Exactly same thing, guys, about selenium. Selenium is a category. Okay. Selenium is a community of automation tools. Are you understanding my point, guys? Selenium is nothing but a community of automation tools. So let's say here I will get selenium. Okay. So this is guys nothing but selenium, and here we will say it's a it's a community of automation tool. Guys, community means what? More than one, correct? Community means what? More than one, correct? So this is one point. Now guys, inside selenium, you know how many tools are present. So observe here guys, observe here. So the first tool present, let me just make some box here. So guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now guys, observe here. In this, okay, I will mention what are the automation tools are there. Okay, what are the automation tools are there. So here guys, we will have first automation tool released by Selenium community, that is Selenium RC. Okay. Second tool released by Selenium community, that is Selenium IDE. Third tool given by this community, that is Selenium WebDriver, or it is not Selenium WebDriver, it is only WebDriver. Okay. Okay. Or else for our confirmation, we can write like this, Selenium WebDriver. Next tool released by this community, that is Selenium Grid. Another tool released by this community, that is Vinium. Okay. And guys, last tool till now comes in this community, that is Appium. So guys, tell me, can I say these are the automation tools which exist in the market? Selenium RC, Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid, Vinium, Appium. But tell me, is there any single tool called as Selenium? Is there any single tool called as Selenium? No. Guys, now is everyone clear why I am saying it's a community of automation tools? Okay. So under this Selenium, there are many tools available. Okay. Now guys, let's go step by step in this. Okay. So the first tool guys, okay, first tool comes in this community, that is Selenium RC in the year of 2004. Okay. The Selenium RC guys comes in the year of 2004. So here I will write 2004. In 2004, this first tool comes. Okay. Then Selenium IDE guys comes in 2006. WebDriver comes in 2009. Okay. Then guys, next part Selenium Grid, Vinium. Okay. Selenium Grid, Vinium, Appium. Okay. So these are the automation tools which exist in the market. Let me just move this. So Selenium Grid guys, this fellow also comes in 2009. This Vinium fellow comes in, okay. Guys, this Selenium Grid also comes in 2009. This Vinium comes in 2012. Okay. 2012. And last Appium comes in 2014. So it's a fellow. So guys, till now, Appium is the last automation tool exist in this community. Any confusion up to this? Okay. Now, guys, now let's talk something about why those people develop all these things and how they develop all these things. Okay. So listen guys, pay attention. Don't try to copy anything. This is one very interesting story of Selenium. Okay. We should aware. Now, guys, Selenium RC means remote control. Okay. That RC stands for remote control. Okay. So guys, here, here, this Selenium RC tool is the first ever automation tool comes in this Selenium community. But guys, at that time, these people never realize, boss, never think also, boss, we are going to become so much great community in future. Because guys, at that time, only one tool runs in a market. Okay, that is QTP. QTP is a license base. And guys, there is one company called as ThoughtWorks. Okay, there is one company, guys, called as ThoughtWorks. Okay, it's a company name, guys. Now, what happened, guys? ThoughtWorks have some internal project, and for their internal project, they want to do automation. Now, ThoughtWorks think, hey boss, why we should use ready-made tool QTP? That also pay will pay. We have great resource. We have excellent employee who are technically very well. Then we will develop our own automation tool. Why we rely on license base? So guys, are you getting my point? At very first manner, they make this tool for internal company level. Okay. So guys, in a Selenium, there is one person called as, okay, there is one person called as Jason Huggins. Okay, nothing but guys, we will say he is a founder of Selenium automation community. Okay, so guys, now this is Jason Huggins. Okay, developed guys, he is the employee of ThoughtWorks. Just like guys, you remember Java, James Gosling, employee of Sun Microsystem. So under Sun Microsystem, James Gosling developed Java. Similarly here, under ThoughtWorks, Jason Huggin and his team developed Selenium RC as their first automation tool. Then guys, this ThoughtWorks people think, boss, what kind of name we should give to this? I want remote control. I want automation control. So what kind of name I should give? So guys, they pick a name as Selenium. Okay. And guys, what is the reason behind this name? That reason is QTP. What ThoughtWorks think, guys? We will make such a kind of QTP's market down. ThoughtWorks thinks let's give poison to that company so that because of this poison, their market, their reputation, their strength become loose and my market will grow. That is the meaning of Selenium. Selenium is nothing but one of the poison name. Okay. So, so if you ask the strictly meaning, then that is the meaning of that word. Okay. So by keeping this idea, we are giving competition to the QTP. Okay. First, they analyze, guys, what kind of feature QTP is having. Then, guys, in that analyzation, those people realize QTP is a UI based tool. UI based tool means, guys, QTP having a very beautiful, very simple UI. Okay. UI means just like you are aware, hey boss, click here, do this, go here, do this, go here, use this, and automatically your automation happens. So guys, can I say UI based tool is much easier to handle? Only the thing is we should aware what we need to do. Are you getting my point? If we aware where to go, where to click, where to enter what, that's it. We will become good in that tool. So guys, yes, UI means user interface. So now what ThoughtWorks people think, guys, what Jason Huggins think was, we are giving competition to QTP. We will not make UI based tool. We will make script based tool. Now, script based tool means what kind of tool, guys? We have to write a piece of code, and that piece of code will do the automation. Am I clear? Okay, okay. So that was the idea. That was the idea ThoughtWorks having in their mind. Okay, guys, is everyone clear up to this in the story? Okay, okay. So now, guys, listen what happened next. ThoughtWorks, Jason Huggins and his team develop a Selenium RC automation tool, and they are very happy, guys. They think, hey boss, my tool can handle any web application. My tool can handle any scenario. Whatever QTP is giving, same way my tool also giving. So guys, can I say they will be very happy to develop this tool? Yes or no? They will be very happy to develop this tool. Okay. So guys, now what they think, hey boss, under their company, whatever the project those people are having, on that project, this tool works superly, work fine. So these people think, okay boss, now I will make my own market. Let me publish this tool. Let me make this tool open source and let all other company use my tool for their automation. Okay. And to give competition to the QTP, ThoughtWorks says, boss, I will not charge anything from anyone. It is open source. Like that, they publish. So ultimately, guys, can I say it is a first automation tool? Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Okay. Now, guys, what happened? As soon as they release, immediately, guys, can I say they will get some feedback? Yes or no? They will get some feedback from end users for companies who are using, and that feedback goes wrong. Tool become flop. Okay, tool become flop. Why that tool become flop? What is the need? That everything, guys, I will explain you later. Okay, how Selenium RC is functioning. That everything I'll explain you later. But this Selenium RC tool become flop. Now, what happened, guys? Obviously, Jason again thought was his entire team will start analyzation. Yes or no? Hey boss, where we go wrong? Why I am getting wrong feedback from the many companies? Yes or no? They will do this analyzation. So, guys, as they will do this analyzation, there they realize, boss, maybe reason is I make a script based tool. What I make, guys? Script based tool. And QTP is a UI based tool. So, end of the day, guys, can I say everyone will think UI is much easier than coding? Yes or no? UI is much easier than coding. So, guys, this was the analyzation what Selenium people have. What Jason again and ThoughtWorks team is having. Okay. So, guys, they adapt this thinking, and guys, Later, these people think, boss, I will not quit this much easily. Now I will make one more tool, guys, that is Selenium IDE, which is a UI based tool provided by Selenium. Are you getting my point, guys? Selenium IDE is a UI based tool launched by ThoughtWorks now. Okay. So, guys, who launched Selenium RC? Who launched Selenium RC? ThoughtWorks. I am writing short form TW. Who launched Selenium IDE? Again, ThoughtWorks TW. Okay. Now, guys, now what happened? Can I say, guys, again? ThoughtWorks, Jason again. Okay, these people will be very happy. Hey boss, I give competition to the QTP. QTP is a UI based tool. Selenium IDE also UI based tool. Okay. So within 2 years they launched this tool. But guys, again their luck is not turn out. Okay. Unfortunately, this tool also become flop. Okay. Why guys? Because QTP is a UI based tool which can handle almost all automation scenario. Okay, which can handle almost which can handle guys almost all automation scenario. Then guys, all automation scenario means there are many critical scenarios are there guys in a web applications. Okay, many critical scenarios are there. So QTP supports all the things, but Selenium IDE fails there, guys. For basic level automation, for simple level scenarios, Selenium IDE provides support. But for for complex level scenario, okay, Selenium IDE won't provide any support. Are you understanding my point, guys? Complex scenario will not work in Selenium IDE. Okay, so guys, now because of that, okay, because of that, what happened, guys? What happened? Now, Jason again thought works. Everyone goes in some kind of frustration. Yes or no, guys? Because they make huge amount of, they invest huge amount of money, they invest huge amount of time, but still is not succeed. Okay. So guys, then tell me 2004 to 2006 and they took 2 years to develop this Selenium RC means this person guys Jason Huggin, okay, this person Jason Huggin, can I say work almost 4 5 years in a ThoughtWorks? Yes or no guys? Okay. Now guys, tell me, end of the day, Jason Huggin is employee only, na? So what Jason again think? Hey boss, enough now. I am done with ThoughtWorks. Let's switch the company to get more income, more hike, more opportunity. So now guys, Jason again switch the company and you know guys which company he joined? He joined that company which aware by everyone, Google. From ThoughtWorks, he switched to Google. Okay. Now, guys, tell me, maybe he switched the company, but this automation concept, script based tool, UI based tool, Selenium automation community, can I say that idea is still running in his mind? Yes or no? That idea, that concept is still running in his mind. So what happened, guys? Jason Huggins shared that thought process to the Google. He discussed, hey boss, this was the thing which I done in my previous company, but it didn't work out. This kind of Selenium RC tool I make, IDE tool I make, but it didn't work out. So many things I make, everything he shared. Now, guys, Google like this idea. Google think, hey boss, I am present everywhere except automation market. Why I should not present in automation market? So guys, Google like that idea and Google say, hey boss, Jason again, you don't worry. I am giving you my team. Take these employees, start working on this. Now again we will restart it. So again Jason again work, again Google work, and guys, then Google developed a next level automation tool in this community. That tool we known as Selenium WebDriver. Is everyone clear on this? Is everyone clear on this? Okay. Now tell me guys, who developed Selenium WebDriver? Who developed Selenium WebDriver? Google. Correct. Okay. Now guys, now guys, observe here. By the way, guys, is everyone understanding the story? Are you feeling story interesting? Okay, fine. Now, what happened, guys? Google apply their brain. Okay, Google apply their brain. They make Selenium WebDriver as an automation tool. And guys, what Google says, they analyze correctly why Selenium RC fail. Google says, hey, what you automation tool you made na Selenium IDE UI based tool, that is a dump tool, waste tool you make. Your biggest strength is coding, it's a scripting. So we will make script based tool only. Okay, if we want to neutralize the market of QTP, then we have to go with scripting only, because there are many persons, guys, see the idea what Google thinks. There are many intelligent persons exist in a company who likes coding. To be honest, guys, I am giving my example. If I will get some UI based tool na, within 1 month I will feel bored. Hey, what I am doing? No challenge, nothing is there. It's like non-technical person can also do automation. Yes or no, guys? Non-technical person also do automation, guys. Okay, means it is just like, guys. Okay, think about Gmail application. Okay, think about Gmail application. If let's say any old person is there, maybe chances are they are old age person, they are not aware about all this technology. If you bring the 70 years old person also little bit educated, if you show, see, this is Gmail, you click here, you click on compose, you type here, you click on inbox, you click on send, tell me guys, within 1 month that person become trained in that Gmail app or not? Are you getting my point? So guys, can I say UI based tool is never a choice of a good coder, good programmer? Programmers, coder always like, hey boss, I need some challenging. I want to write a code, I want to write a script. Okay. That is the reason Google says, boss, we will make script based tool only. And guys, they analyze what kind of drawback Selenium RC having. Okay. Now Google team analyze this drawback correctly. Okay, and they overcome all the drawback of Selenium RC. Okay, and guys, they make a one of the best, one of the highly popular and most advanced automation tool, that is WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver. Nothing but guys, out of these six, which automation tool we are going to work, we are going to learn, that is Selenium WebDriver only. I will say it is a 5-star rated tool. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Okay, okay. And guys, no, Lakshman. Selenium RC is a script based tool. Selenium IDE is a UI based tool. Okay, okay. So pay attention what I am saying. Okay. So here I will write also it's a script based, script based. This one UI based. Okay. And this one again script based. Okay. Now guys, you tell me. So guys, anyhow, I will explain to you why we will choose Selenium WebDriver only. That everything I'll explain. But are you clear up to this? Which automation tool we are going to work? Which automation tool we are going to work? Okay. Now, guys, now listen, guys, what I am saying. Can I say Google makes a history here again? It's a great achievement from Google people. They make a automation tool, open source tool, which is a script based. Okay. Nadeem. I will explain everything in our upcoming session. I already told Nadeem. Okay. Now pay attention. Okay. So, guys, can I say, can I say this Selenium WebDriver launched by Google and they make a history, they make a great, okay, they make a great level of automation tool. And tell me guys, today can I say literally QTP is neutralized? Guys, can you hear me? Yeah. So guys, now listen what I am saying. Okay. Because of this Selenium WebDriver, truly guys, QTP is neutralized. Just 2 seconds, guys. Hold on. हाँ. No, Ravi. Don't think like QTP is a license based, so it is more secure or something. Security is same whether it is any kind of thing. Selenium and QTP security level is same, guys. Okay, and guys, almost today if you hear QTP, you not even know also. Only guys, those company who purchase the license of QTP, now they are working on QTP because they don't have any other choice. But guys, almost 90% companies are preferring Selenium WebDriver or not. Open source coding platform is there, and if coding platform is there, that means any coder will they can make their own enhancement. This is the power of coding. But can you do any enhancement in a UI base? No, we cannot do any exploration of our side. Okay, so now guys, see, they will make Deepak. Okay, for that I will take a separate session, Deepak. If you move to your question, we will divert from our part. Okay, that is a general knowledge level question that we will discuss separately. Ah, so guys, now see, let me come to the my part, guys. What I am saying. Okay, we are discussing Selenium WebDriver is a great tool. It's an achievement by Google, and today now everywhere Selenium WebDriver running the market. But guys, one twist is there in a story. Guys, in this entire story, are you not thinking, guys, one person have a injustice? Someone is there who is unhappy. Can you tell me who? With that person, justice is not happen. Exactly correct. Thought works. Not a Jason again, guys. Thought works. Thought works will start shouting now. Hey boss, just because my employee go in your company, okay, you make a your patent, you register everything on you, and what I make, this much years of effort, what my company make, my employee make, those all things goes west. Can I say, guys, this is a wrong thing? Are you getting my point, everyone? Okay. So, guys, now what Google says? Google says, hey boss, I apologize from my end. I accept there is a something which is not right here. But now patent already happened. Now I cannot change it. I will give you partnership. Whatever the business we will make, 50-50. 50% your, 50% mine. Can I say now ThoughtWork is happy? Are you getting my point? Purely business guys. And they make a deal. Now onwards, whatever the tool we will make, ThoughtWorks and Google work combinedly on that tool. Okay. Okay. So ThoughtWorks and Google both will work combinedly now onwards in a future. So guys, that's the reason next tool came, that is Selenium Grid. Now you will think, guys, sir, Selenium WebDriver is heavily used. Then why? What is the need of Selenium Grid? Is there any drawback in WebDriver? Guys, don't think there is a drawback in WebDriver. The real part is these all the tools, whatever you are seeing now, guys, Selenium Grid, Vinium, okay, after Vinium, Appium, these all the tools, guys, nothing but extended version of WebDriver. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? These are nothing but extended version of WebDriver. Means guys, extended version means Can I say without a WebDriver, you cannot understand grid, you cannot understand Vinium, you cannot understand Appium. Okay. So, guys, what is the need of grid? What is the need of Vinium? What is the need of Appium? That everything I will explain to you neatly. Okay. That everything I will explain to you neatly in our upcoming classes. But are you clear on this point? Boss, it is an extended version. Boss, it is an extended version. Okay. Now, guys, what happened? Okay. So, can I say, guys, now here, now here, Selenium grid developed by developed by Google and ThoughtWorks. Both are merged there. Okay. Vinium also developed by Google and ThoughtWorks. Okay. Now, guys, come to the Appium. Guys, again the real culprit is Jason Huggin. Guys, before coming to the Appium part, listen carefully. Jason Huggins switched the Google. He switched the company. And guys, the next company what he joined, that company name is Sauce Labs. Which company, guys? Sauce Labs. Now, guys, can you imagine the cycle here? Can you imagine the cycle? Again, Jason again having the idea. He shared that idea with the Sauce Labs. But now, guys, can I say Google and ThoughtWorks already very sharp? They already make a deal with Sauce Lab. Hey, if you want to take participation because of my employee going in your company, okay, then now only I'm saying we want share in that profit. We want share in that profit. Okay. So guys, now Google and ThoughtWorks work smartly, behave smartly. They make a deal, but now in that deal, Sauce Lab says, "Boss, I am giving you part, I am giving you partnership in a money. Whatever the things we will earn, we will distribute, divide by three. By this next tool, develop Appium. But patent will be on my name only." Okay, patent will be on my name only because my entire efforts are there to make this Appium tool. Okay, so what is the concept of Appium tool and everything that I'll explain you in our upcoming session. So guys, Appium tool given by Sauce Labs. Okay, but partnership is there with Google and ThoughtWorks. Is everyone clear with this history? Is everyone clear with this history? Okay, okay. So guys, do one thing. Can you please take the peek of the screen? Because of power cut, my laptop will shut down at any moment. Take the peek of the screen, guys, and copying your notes. Remaining thing, yeah, everything is script based only, Sunita. Okay. Now onwards, everything is script based only. So, guys, take the peek of this and we will continue. Means we will explore what is RC, what is the disadvantage, then what is uh, IDE, everything, guys, we will discuss in detail from tomorrow. So tomorrow session is at 11 a.m. By the way, guys, is your morning manual testing session is over? You said na in last week it will get over. Is it over? Okay. So guys, it is your duty to inform me as soon as your manual session will over. Is it clear? As soon as your morning 8 to 10 slot is free, we will move to morning 8 to 10. Okay. Okay. Fine, guys. See you guys, everyone, tomorrow.